Hey everyone! The Velotric Fold one appears to be creating quite a stir in the e-bike industry, particularly because of its emphasis on premium and secure certifications. Its UL rating, which guarantees both performance and safety requirements widely valued in the business, is one of its notable features. Let's examine more closely what makes this e-bike unique. Because of its foldable design, the bike comes in a handy square box that makes assembly simple, an essential feature for foldable e-bikes. Although it is only available in electric blue, there are many color variations to suit a variety of tastes. One noteworthy feature is the strap, which solves a typical problem with foldable bikes by keeping everything neat after folding. Equipped with a 46.8-volt, 13-amp-hour battery, the Fold One promises a decent range, complemented by a 54.6-volt, 2-amp output charger. A full charge from empty takes around 6.5 hours. Moreover, the IPX7 water resistance rating ensures durability even in adverse conditions. The cockpit boasts an LCD display with a 2-year warranty, a bright and clear interface that's easy to read even in sunlight. Other features include a thumb throttle, hydraulic brake levers, sturdy grips, a Shimano shifter, and adjustable stem for varying heights. The front suspension offers 60 EM of travel and can be adjusted or locked out as needed. The built-in rear rack with a 120 pounds weight capacity is impressive, offering more versatility for carrying cargo compared to many foldable e-bikes. The extra strap for holding the bike together when folded is a thoughtful addition, enhancing convenience during transport and storage. The low step-through design makes it easy for riders with mobility, hip, or height issues to get on and off the bike comfortably. This feature is particularly appreciated by individuals with specific physical needs, enhancing the bike's inclusivity. The cadence sensor, although not always a favorite among riders, operates smoothly without the usual power surges or runoff often experienced with similar sensors. The option to unlock the bike to become a Class 3 e-bike with a top speed of 28 miles per hour adds versatility and customization to suit different riding preferences. The bike has a lot going for it, but there are a few things that could be done better, such as the plastic construction of the folding pedals, the battery being located outside, and the suspension's propensity to bottom out. When weighed against the bike's overall performance, these issues are quite minor. If you're looking for a folding e-bike with lots of safety features, good performance, and convenience, the Velotric Fold one is a great option. It is a deserving competitor in the low-cost, foldable e-bike market because of its water resistance, UL certification, and well-considered design features. The Velotric Fold one is a great option for travelers seeking a dependable, lightweight e-bike with extra safety features. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new bike? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day, and God bless you.